Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to teach you a break and retest strategy. This is the strategy that made us enter the trade that you are seeing on the screen right now. So I'm going to share my little secret with you in hope that after watching this video, you too will become a profitable trader. So on the screen, on your left, you can see this is when we were entering this trade. How did I know the trade will reverse at that point and not way below, but exactly to where we entered our orders, as you can see on the screen from there to this. So please bear with me until the end of this video so that you too can learn this important strategy. So first of all, before entering this strategy, we wanted to go to the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame, it's a time frame that will give you lots of confidence of what to do on the lower time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see that this market clearly was on a downtrend movement. So why did we enter a buy position on the lower time frame? Before you ask yourself those questions, you have to understand how the market moves. So a downtrend market always moves if providing you with series of lower lows and lower highs, just like this. This is how a downtrend market is supposed to move. So as you can see right here, after the break of this structure right here, it was expected. What was it expected after the break of this structure? Where it's pretty simple. It was expected the market to continue to buy until the market comes to retest that broken structure, like what happened right here and like what happened also right here. So even if the market broke this structure, which is a similar case to this price, it was in hoping that this market will come back to retest to this broken structure before actually playing out, because this is how a downtrend market moves. And when you go to the lower time frame, now after knowing this, that okay, the market is supposed to retest to this broken structure. After knowing this, we went to the 1 hour time frame to see what system or what conference will support us until this market comes to buy to this area before actually selling, then continue with the downtrend movement. That's the most important part of this strategy, which comes after the 24 hours time frames. Means you should go to the 1 hour time frame, because on the 1 hour time frame, it's a time frame which will give you that conference to support your trading decision. Now you can see here on this 1 hour time frame, the market, as it was moving on this retesting right here, it did form some kind of a lower high and a lower low. So after the market broke these downtrend movements, let me mark it right here. This downtrend movement, lower high right here, it marked a shift of the market structure, meaning that, okay, now this market that was retesting, moving in a downtrend direction has come to an end, and now the market will go to the break of the structure before actually selling. So this shift of the market structure, it was observed, and we said, okay, since the market provided us with a shift of the market structure right here, then we are hoping for the market to come back inside areas of liquidity before actually buying. And guys and girls, if you want some free Forex books or Forex signals, then you can join my Telegram group, whose link can be found in the description below. That's the only channel that I own. Do not go on Telegram and search Forex Clubhouse, because you will meet a lot of Forex channels which claim to be Forex Clubhouse, but they are actually not from me. So if you want to join my only group, legitimate group, you can join it through the link only in the description below and nothing else, because the group actually is private. So if you go and search there, probably you won't find it. But what you will find is scammers who claim to use my name and so on. And guys and girls, that's it to this Forex trading video of break and retest strategy. I wish you the best in your trading, and bye bye.